yourself. Impossible. Impossible. Nothing is impossible. Believe in yourself. Time. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Decide. Let me know. What do you decide? Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Government. Our government does a good job. I feel a little sick today. I feel a little sick today. Leave. When are you leaving? Nervous. Don't be nervous. Relax. Business. Do you do a lot of business in Vietnam? Special. This is a special local dish. Pleasure. It's a pleasure to be here today. Bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. Weather. Are you used to the weather here? Help. Let me help you. Terrific. You look terrific today. Change. Vietnam is changing every day. Language. Vietnam English is an international language. Memory. I have a poor memory. Number. Can you give me your telephone number? Can you give me your telephone number? Wrong. Is there anything wrong? Learn something new every day. Helpful. You are very helpful. Welcome. You are welcome to join us. You are welcome to join us. Yesterday. I arrived yesterday morning. Trouble. I don't want to trouble you. Drink. What would you like to drink? Lots. I have a lot of friends from all over the world. I have lots of friends from all over the world. Words can't express how thankful I am. Words can't express how thankful I am.